Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you why you just should not get a ceramic coating for your new car. And this is the reason why. So many people contact us about getting their car protected, which is awesome. But there are many people that I tell to not get a ceramic coating because it is not going to do what they want. The reasons being is that people want to stop their car from getting stone chipped, scratched. They want to stop water spots, and a ceramic coating or a graphene coating will not do that. You do not get a ceramic coating to stop scratches. You do not get a ceramic coating to stop stone chips and big chips in the paintwork. And also you do not get a ceramic coating or a graphene coating to stop water spotting, period. That is the 3 golden rules. And a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people are being misled. They're being sold by the dealership. If they get this U-Butte paint protection, it'll make their car be perfect. That is not true. When it comes to ceramic coatings and paint protection, they are awesome if you get the right one and a premium quality one that is installed correctly, but it is all about maintenance. Maintenance is the key. But if you are wanting to stop the stone chipping, you need to get paint protection film. You got to spend a bit more money, a few $1,000s to get clear paint protection film, known as PPF, on your car so that it stops the stone chips. Same thing for scratches. A ceramic coating is stupidly thin. It is crazy thin. That cannot stop scratches from rings, from people like scraping against your car, or even like swirl marks to a degree. They do help, but you do not buy a ceramic coating or pay to get it installed expecting it to stop that. Also, a big one is water spotting. So the reason being is because water spotting is caused from dirt in the water that is allowed to dry up and kind of like set on the paint. And if you don't wash your car really regularly, like weekly, fortnightly, and your car's outside and it's sunny, then it rains, and then it gets dirty, all that dirt is going to dry up in the beads of water on your car, and then it's going to cause water spotting. And that is a pain in the butt, especially when you have a really nice black car, you have a car that you love to look at and love to show off, and the water spots, they are annoying. But because ceramic coatings bead so well they should, then the beading causes water spots. And so sometimes a car with no coating will have no water spots because the water just sits flat on the surface. So what I'm telling you is quite different to what other businesses or the dealership will tell you, and it's a little bit unorthodox, but it's the truth. And I believe that a lot of people aren't telling the truth to their customers like we do. And sometimes we lose people, we lose customers. Someone won't book in with us because we don't tell them what they want to hear. And for us, that's okay, because I'd rather tell you the truth than to give you the smoke and mirrors and talk it up just so we can do your car. So if you want to stop stone chips, do not get a ceramic coating. If you want to stop scratches and swirls and marks like that, do not get a ceramic coating. And of course, if you want to stop water spotting, do not get a ceramic coating. It will help. It will definitely help, but it can't be the main focus. The reason why you get a ceramic coating, because it does make it so much easier to clean your car. The bugs, the grime, bitumen, all those things do not stick to the surface like they do to a non-coated car. The ceramic coating should and will last way longer than any wax or sealant or anything like that. It's going to last such a much longer time. And it also protects your car from the sun, where waxes and sealants, they burn up and evaporate and they deteriorate due to the sun. Whereas a ceramic coating is usually strengthened by the sun. So they're pretty much the opposite. But it all comes down to maintenance. Like I said before, you've got to make sure you're washing it regularly. If it's garaged, if it lives inside most of the time, that is helpful. But when you're working, you're parking outside, obviously it's going to get dirty. So therefore, keep it clean, keep it washed, make sure you dry it down, and really follow the right processes on how to do that. So I hope this video has helped you. And if you do want any more advice, feel free to comment on our video or flick us an email or give us a call. We would love to help you, because we believe that you spend all this money to protect your car, and if the detailer or the dealership don't tell you the absolute truth, then you're going to be really disappointed. You're going to be angry that you're misled. You'll feel like the coatings crap, they don't work. We see it a lot on Facebook groups that ceramic coatings don't work. And you know what? Some don't. Some are rubbish. Some are just crap. You know, you're better off buying a $10 one off Alibaba and doing it yourself. I love Alibaba. But if you have one professionally installed, the detail or the business should be advising you, all right, you've just spent this money on your car. We've done all this work for you. Here's how to maintain it. Just because you spent $1,000 or $2,000, which is a lot of money, doesn't make it invincible. Usually cars that cost the most to buy, like a Mercedes, they usually cost more to maintain because they have a lot more technology. There's a lot more things happening. Same with coatings. Just because you spend a lot of money in a coating doesn't make it invincible. Usually means that, hey, if you want to maintain this awesome coating and all the benefits that come with it, you do have to do extra maintenance, especially if it's a really soft paint, like a Japanese car, or if it's a really dark color. So hope this information has been valuable. Like I said before, contact us. Would love to hear from you. My name's Joe from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. I want to hear from you real soon. See you guys.